We're having to destroy the stump day with the sledgehammer. This is my nephew Dallas. Say hi, Dallas.
Hey.
Jacob's taking a bunch of swings at it already. We're just letting Dallas having some of the fun of destroying the stump. Gets out some aggression. It's good exercise, isn't it? I had their help. We planted some flowers today.
This is how they do it.
We got some pansies. The lantana's already in there. I left that. We planted pansies and marigolds. No, I'm sorry, not marigolds, mums. Mums and pansies. They're supposed to be winter resistant and hardy, as my mom says. Hearty. Also got some gardening soil. We laid out a little design here. We got mums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then a whole flat of pansies in color and a whole flat of pansies in yellow. You left-handed?
No, I just switch arms.
Oh, okay.
I'm ambidextrous.
Which means he can ride a bicycle both ways. You can tell that one spot in the middle is where the stuff is still alive. We're using an 8-pound sledgehammer.
Feels like 30.
Here, Jacob, you can hold this for a second. Let me do a little damage. I was telling Jacob you can get some good swinging when you bring it back. If you have your hand on it, you come around. Use your whole swinging motion to hit it. Your hand slides from this position to this position as you go down. And if you start on the outsides and work your way towards the middle, you can get more damage into it. Because it'll eventually get tired of getting hit and it'll start to fall apart.
You're pretty good aim.
Now, if you have more control with this movement. You have more power if you come overhead and hit it straight down, but you don't have as much control. Plus, you get more out of breath because it's opening your lungs up more, opening up your diaphragm more. With this motion, it's kind of a continuous thing. So there we go. We're just destroying it. No, but it's fun to hit. I'll come out here and pour some more salt in this, and that'll make it continue to die. It's a good workout. All right, ta-da.